Welcome back to Vox Terra. Today I want to share with you a headline from Democracy Now! Over 100 million people put under heat advisories amid record-breaking heat wave in U.S. June 14th of 2022. Early season heat wave continues to break records from Southwest to Gulf Coast to the Great Lakes. Over the weekend, temperatures in Phoenix, Arizona reached 114 degrees. 109 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and in Houston, local officials warned residents to stay inside. As the article pointed out, people die of heat. Yet other than Democracy Now!, most of our media ignores the climate change mechanisms driving this, and they have done so for decades. Because without it, we're not going to get climate action. And they ignore it for two reasons. One, primarily the power and influence of the fossil fuel petrochemical industries. And two, because science operates in probabilities. So let's explain those probabilities. From NASA, the Earth is nearly 2 Fahrenheit hotter since the start of the Industrial Revolution or the dawn of the era of burning fossil fuels. And any reporter, instead of ignoring this, could look at the Environmental Protection Agency's climate change indicators. From the 1960s to the 2010s, we can see at the chart clearly heat wave frequency, heat wave duration, season, and intensity all are up. And the frequency of heat waves as well as the season of heat waves has doubled nearly 2 times. Yet this statistic is ignored. Also keep in mind global warming is messing with the jet stream or the atmospheric currents as well as the Gulf Stream or the oceanic currents. Because that Arctic, as you can see at NASA, is heating up faster than the rest of the planet. So we're losing those temperature differentials that are required for the stabilization of the Earth's atmosphere or climatic conditions. And remember too, this heating Arctic, among other things, is setting in motion what are called feedback loops. Check out my video on feedback loops. But for today, just remember, as that ice recedes, those oceans hold more heat because less is getting reflected off of the surface, more ice recedes, and the process continues. But that doesn't mean you listen to the naysayers and just keep burning lots of fossil fuels. You can look at the U.S. climate assessment as well as other reports. They show 2 scenarios. Keep on defending business as usual and don't scale back versus scale back. To paraphrase, one we're looking at hell, the other, some depth of purgatory. Well, hey, I hope you found this helpful, interesting, entertaining, and if you did, please make sure you're subscribed, you click the notification bell, you're donating at Patreon, you're commenting, and until next time, and as always, peace be with you.